Okay, this is going to be a quick little demo on how to join our line segments. So it looked to me when I look at that you were maybe using the curvature tool.
Yeah,
And
like a mixture of the curve and the pen.
so one of the things I saw, and I'm just going to grab two and I'm going to reflect. So you have these two lines that are connecting. And I'm going to make them really bold like you had in yours. I'm going to select both lines and make these big and beefy so we can see the issue. So right now, there are some lines that are kind of coming like this, not connected,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. So what I'm going to use is the direct select tool, which is the white arrow, and I'm going to select the endpoint of each of these lines. And the way I'm doing that is I'm selecting one and I'm clicking on the point, not just on the line, but the point. I'm going to hold my shift key down and then I'm going to select the next point. So now I have both points selected. Again, not the line, but the points. And then I'm going to hit Command or Control J, and that joins them.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'll
But
try.
now you can also see it's not great because they're making like these little corners. So
Hmm.
then I can go in and you see what there's little like radial discs, and it gives me a little
Hmm.
curve symbol at the bottom of my selection tool. I can click on that and smooth out that line by pulling out
Oh.
this curve. And so now I've
Hmm.
smoothed out that line.
Hmm.
I can also go in and I can manipulate the connection, you know. And you notice how I have two points here. I can also decide I don't want that many points. I can go to my pen tool, overlay the point, and delete those extra points. Go back to my direct select tool and smooth, pull the bezanine handles here and smooth. So there's a couple different ways I can make this as smooth as I want.
Hmm.
So now I have this smooth. Now, the thing I also want you to recognize is that this is just a line, it's not a shape. So there's going to be a point when you're going to want to color in different parts of your illustration.
Hmm.
So what you might want to do is make a copy, Command C, Command V, of your shape that you just made. Okay. And I'm just going to put this to the side. And I'm going to take this and I might, again, go to my direct select tool, click the point over here, click the point over here, Command J to join them, because now I can fill that in,
Oh.
right? And then I
Hmm.
can, let's say I'm going to make this, a different color. And then I can lay my outline on top of it if I wanted, right? And so I'm thinking about your whole you have a drawing, and I'm going to use the pencil tool just to kind of, you have a drawing of hair, which I love, and I love where it's going, but you're going to want to maybe create a whole shape of the
Hmm.
head so that you can fill it with a color.
Hmm.
And right now, this is just a shape. I don't have it. You have to create shapes to fill. So Command J. Now I have a shape that I can go over here and I can fill it, right? I can make it. So then I can lay on top of it my curly cues that I'm putting together, like these shapes, right?
Hmm.
And I'm just going to make them different colors so we can kind of see everything. So those can lay on top of the color of the background of your hair. Oops,
Okay. That makes
undo.
sense.
Does that make sense? Like,
Yeah.
and you can, you can have, in other words, the outline or the detail in one color and the, the background or the hair color back there. You know what I mean? Like, you want to work in layers is my point. And you need to work with a combination of shapes and lines. But in order
Mm-hmm.
to get the color, you need to have a solid shape to fill.
Yeah. I get it. Okay. Thank
Does
you.
that make sense? Okay.
Mhm.